Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear students, today we are going to talk about the beginning and eras of mass communication effects studies. It means that in this video lecture, you will be able to understand how and when the mass communication effects studies originated, evolved, and then expanded in different eras during last 100 years or so. I mean, how the people started thinking about the effects of mass media in the society, and how in different time frames people develop different kinds of theories regarding the usage, influence, impact, and role of mass media in the society. So basically there are four different eras where the mass communication effects have been discussed. Number one is the powerful effects model or powerful effects era. Here, in this initial era of mass communication effect studies, you will be able to understand the magic bullet theory, wherein we talk about the powerful effects of mass media. And then there is a propaganda model proposed by Harold Laswell. Again, this propaganda model talks about the powerful effects of mass communication. And then in America, in Pennsylvania University, there was an institution called IPA, Institute of Propaganda Analysis. That institute also established to study and measure the powerful effects of mass media. Then this paradigm shifted after the research of Carl Hovland in 1942 during Second World War, when he conducted research on army, the soldiers who were not actually ready to fight. So the Allied forces and the American forces, their elders, the authorities wanted to find out why the soldiers are so much demoralized. So they decided to conduct a research, and they hired Carl Hovland and his team to conduct that research. And when he conducted that research, he found out that the soldiers got information from the media messages which were provided to the soldiers through the movies they shown to the soldiers. And the series name of the series of movies was Why We Fight. Okay, so the finding of Carl Hovland were very astonishing for the people, and this actually shifted the paradigm from powerful effect to the limited effect model. Similarly, Cooper and Jehoda's study of Mr. Bigger's cartoon and Paul Lazarsfeld's study on the election or voting behavior of people in America, which was later on published in the form of a book named The People's Choice. These were the studies, these were the researchers which actually shifted the paradigm from powerful effect model to the limited effects model. And then in 60s 1960s, Marshall McLuhan's world famous work Understanding Media, and then knowledge gap hypothesis proposed by Donohue, Technor, and Oline. And the agenda setting theory, one of the most famous and well referred and researched mass communication theory proposed by Donald Shaw and Maxwell McCombs. These were the studies which actually shifted the paradigm even from the limited effects paradigm to the moderate effects paradigm, wherein the crux of these theories is that it's not like the media have a strong impact or there is a limited effect. Rather, media has some kind of moderate effect. There are many other factors also involved, when it comes to the change in the society, change in the attitude of a human being. And in certain cases there are some other factors which are even more important than the media messages. So all these things led to the debate of moderate effects instead of the powerful effect or the limited effects. But in the later part of the seventh decade of 20th century, Elizabeth Noelle Newman gave a new perspective regarding the impact of mass media. She actually believed and proposed that the impact of medium has been searched, researched, and studied in some wrong way. Or you can say she proposed that the impact of media was not actually dug out properly. So she said that the media has very strong impact on the society and the individuals, and it creates some kind of spiral of silence in the society and among the audience of particular media. And the main purpose, main you can say the concept behind his thought was that media works in a mainstreaming way. I mean, if you are your opinion is in accordance with the mainstream media's opinion, you tend to speak loudly, you tend to speak out. Or in contrary, if your opinion is not in accordance with the mainstream media's opinion, you tend to be silent. So what does she propose? She says that if your opinion is in accordance with the media, you speak out, otherwise you tend to be silent, and you keep on silencing yourself, which actually creates some kind of spiral of silence in the society. So this is how she believed that the media has very strong impact of on society and on the people. So this kind of study and then the dependency media theory, these studies actually gave rise to the powerful effect era again. So these are four different eras of mass communication effect studies, wherein different people have given their thoughts regarding the impact of media in the society, on the society and on individuals. um, in coming lectures, we would be talking about these theories and these eras in detail. So, thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.